They have a saying for say, so much people can't be telling the same lie on you. Well, for example, if you keep going around different people and they're saying you talk too much and it's affecting them, it's a problem. Sometimes you're not the problem, but sometimes you're the problem. So in a situation like this, you need to adjust yourself. You need to know yourself in order to survive around these people, because it's affecting them and it's gonna affect you negatively. It's gonna stop you from a lot of opportunity. People gonna look down to you. Sometimes people don't even believe in you because they have an issue with you that is affecting them big time. So like I said, my friend, sometimes you're not the problem, but sometimes you can be the problem. So you need to look into life and balance and deal with that problem. Suffer true.